Do you want to know how you can score highly in the OET Writing test? Well, keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can score top marks for purpose in the OET letter. Why is purpose important, especially when we're talking about the OET Writing test? Well, firstly, it helps the reader understand the situation and understand exactly why you've decided to write to them. It tells the reader what action they must take, so especially in OET writing, when you write your letter, you will need to communicate to your reader specific actions that they have to take. It helps the reader to identify key details. And in OET writing, purpose is worth 3 marks. So today I'm going to explain to you how you can get the maximum 3 marks for purpose in your OET letter.